Hello, dear students. Here we see that I have written a topic total number of subsets. So in this video, we will study that total number of subsets of a given set, say any set A, which contain n elements, is 2 raised to the power n. Suppose X is a set which contain A, B, C as its elements. Then subset of X can be written as follows. The first subset will contain no element as you see here. The other subset we will form which contain only one subset elements. In the same way we will form some subsets which contain only two elements, just as this one is AB, this one is BC, this one is AC, and then we will form the subset which contain all the three elements of this set. So this type of subset we can make is only one in number. So now student we will count these subsets made from the set X. So we find that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 8. So you see that this is of the form 2 raised to the power n. Here set I had said that this set A contain n element, so total number of subset will be 2 raised to the power n. In the same way here we see that X set contain 1, 2, 3 elements, so the total number of subset made from it will be 2 raised to the power 3, that is equals to 8. Now we see that this has been so like this, just as 3 combination 0 means total number of elements in set X has 3. So we have made those subsets which contain no element, this is this one. So 3 out of only 3 combination 0 means total number of elements are 3. Then how many subset we can make which will have no means 0 element? This can be done by 3 combination 0. Or you can make subset which contain one elements, so this will be written as 3 combination 1. Or we can make subset 3 combination 2 means the subset which contain 2 elements out of 3. In the same way last 3 combination 3, just as this one. So since here is or, so we have it is the fundamental rule that whenever we have or, we write the sign of plus, and we write the sign of into. So if you calculate it, you get that the total number of subset is 80 really. Now we will study it in generalized form. Generalized form means if you have a set A which contain A1, A2, A3 as for as so up to n. So this has n elements. So the total number of elements are n combination 0 as earlier, as you have seen here that I have done. In the same way here total number of elements are n. So first we will make how many subset which contain no element. This will be n combination 0. Then one element containing one element, this will be n combination c. Then we will write those number of subset which contain two element, then three element, and so on up to n elements containing n elements. So its total, the summation of this will be 2 raised to the power n. 2 raised to the power n. Up now student, matter is that how its value is 2 raised to power n. We will understand here. We have a binomial expression, expansion, sorry, x plus y raised to the power n equals to nc0 x to the power n plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y and so on up to ncn y raised to the power n. If you replace x and y with 1, then our structure will be like this. In place of x and y, we will put 1. So the total things will be, our scenario will be like this. So this is same and its value is 1 plus 1 raised to the power n, that is 2 raised to the power n. So this way we can write. So this is the method how to prove that the total number of subset made from a set A which contain n elements will be 2 raised to the power n. Thank you.